I cannot wait to open this one. Alright, finally it's here. Love at the first sight, right? It's very, very beautiful. What's up guys? Welcome once again to this video. In this video, I'm gonna unbox S25 Ultra. I was waiting for so long and I don't know. Mine was a little delayed. Last year, when I was doing pre-booking, I had like a special gift, and let's find out how it looks like this year. Yes, so unboxing, nothing extra, only something paper. Last year there was some gift, and this year nothing special, right? But anyway, it's okay. Some coupon for money. Yeah? So this one is finally. This one is titanium jet black, and it's exclusive color, so you will not find in other places. Only in Samsung brand store. And here we go. So pretty, right? I cannot wait to open this one. All right, finally it's here. So there is just like some paperwork, papers, and USB cable like always, and that's it. Like this UI looks very interesting. Yeah, looks very nice. I used this in when I was their brand store, and it was like love at the first sight, right? It's very, very beautiful. Then what I'm currently using now S23 Ultra. Of course, it's also very nice, but unfortunately S25 Ultra is very, very cool. Of course, I used before S24 Ultra also, and also with this like tune corner, it feels more premium than S24 Ultra, I think. And this one looks very, very, very neat, super neat and elegant. Yeah, and that's my first impression. Yes, let me set up inside and how it looks like. See you guys later. So currently I'm transferring from files like everything from my old S23 to S25 Ultra. And if you guys wanna transfer like this, then just remember smart switch. This always works perfectly fine. So the phone is already set up, and the first thing when I open it is like wow. With the One UI 7, it's completely it's very, very interesting UI. And of course, like as you can see, everything has a little change. So this is how it is in S23 One UI 6, and this is how it looks One UI 7. It's completely the same settings which I borrowed from here to there. Yeah, completely amazing. Of course, there are a few things, very interesting things, which it looks like here. So I don't know. I have to go inside it and to find out. Yes, the phone looks amazing. It was already like love at the first sight, and the case which I'm gonna use it's not from the official case. Maybe I do not like official case because it's little thick. I love thinner case, and maybe I should use a official case, yeah, which is more protected. As you can see, it's like how it looks like in a year of S23. These are like very thin cases from AliExpress. It's very thin. I think it's a protective also. I don't think so it's so bad. Yeah, it's very thin. This one is also super cool. Feels very nude also. So if you wanted a link for this small like thin case, like I will put in the link below if you want it, only in case. So yeah, let me know in the comment section. Yeah, that's it. How it looks like in unboxing. The first impression is very good. Everything looks super snappy. One UI 7 is pretty amazing also, like very cool skin. Still looks completely different than One UI 6, like in case of, because it looks like more tuned version. Yeah, I will catch you in the next maybe gaming session, right? So thanks for watching.